So Rocket Mortgage just came out with their own bridge loan program. And in this video, I'm gonna break down everything you need to know about their program and also why my bridge loan program is even better than theirs. So let me quickly explain what a bridge loan is. Many times it's going to be to pull equity out of your current home to buy the new home, whether for the down payment or to buy the new home cash, right? And make sure you stick around to the end of this video where I'll give you my next video, which is the top 10 crazy ways to use my bridge loan program, many of which no other lender even offers, right? So make sure you stick around for that. But for Rocket, they're only gonna do the bridge loan if you're using them for the mortgage on the new home. What happens if you have so much equity, you wanna pull that out and buy the new home cash? Rocket won't do that. I will do that. You don't need to use us for the next mortgage. If you're taking out enough cash, you're just buying the new home cash. One huge benefit there. Rocket needs a minimum 740 credit score, right? That's pretty high depending on your situation. Myself, do not have a minimum credit score to use the bridge loan. So I've done one where it's even as low as a 580, right? Just depends on your situation. What happens if you're a lower credit score person trying to do an FHA loan or a VA loan on the new home and need to access some equity in that home? I've done that before, and Rocket, they're not gonna help you with. Rocket also has some additional underwriting guidelines, like a max debt to income ratio of 45. Well, on FHA, you can go up to 55. And on VA, I've gone up to 70% before. So they're already not only stricter on their bridge, they're gonna be stricter on the loan that they're gonna give you if you were using the bridge. So something to think about. They will only give you 6 months. So the bridge loan is only good for 6 months, in theory, to sell your home, pay it off, right? We don't have a limit of 6 months, right? Obviously, you wanna pay off this bridge loan as fast as you can, and that's your goal. But if it needs to get extended, maybe the home sits on the market longer, there's some issues you're dealing with, we can extend it past 6 months. So myself, the bridge loan is gonna be much safer than Rocket's. What happens if it doesn't get sold in 6 months? What position are you gonna be put in, right? And Rocket requires that the home is on the market or under contract to do the bridge. What happens if you're not ready to list your home for sale, right? Hey, I gotta buy this new one, then I'll do some repairs, clean up the home, get it ready, then list it. We're not requiring it to be on the market. We're not requiring you to be under contract. We're giving you more time to be able to operate the way you want to. Focus on buying the new home and then worry about selling the old home, right? So Rocket Mortgage is coming out with a bridge loan. Keep in mind, I've been doing mine for over 3 years now. So when you're hearing lenders say that they do bridge loans, how long have they been doing it, right? For Rocket, only here recently, right? So my bridge loan is better. I went over all those reasons, and make sure you stick around for this next video where I go over the top 10 ways to use my bridge loan and some crazy ways to use it.